Today's video is Root Ralph farts and burps in class/grounded.
Ralph, I am so bored.
Me too. Me three.
Hey Bert, what should we do today?
I don't know.
Be quiet, guys. Miss Battleaxe is here. She is about to teach. Yeah, be quiet.
All right, class, settle down. We are about to do some math. Ralph, say excuse me next time you fart. That was very rude of you.
I don't care. Fuck you anyways, Miss Battleaxe.
Ralph, you don't ever say cuss words. That was very rude and disrespectful for you to say that.
Whatever. Cuss words are just words. It's not like they are going to physically and emotionally hurt you. Damn, you people are so sensitive to words nowadays. You people care too much about what I have to say.
Ralph, if you keep this behavior up, I will take you to the principal's office. Ralph, say excuse me, you don't ever burp in my classroom. Ralph, stop it. I said stop. Ralph, this is your final warning. Stop it, or else you will be sent to the principal's office. That's it, Ralph. I had enough of your behavior. Go to the principal's office right now.
So, Ralph, what brings you here to my office?
Well, Miss Oddbod, I was farting in class and burping in class, and I cursed out Miss Battleaxe.
Ralph, how dare you fart in class, burp in class, and cuss out Miss Battleaxe? You know doing that is rude and disrespectful. That's it. Go home right now, while I call your parents about this.
No.
When Ralph got home,
Ralph, how dare you fart, burp, and cuss out Miss Battleaxe? You know doing that is rude and disrespectful. That's it.
You are grounded for 7 days. Go to your room now.